Hello, this is Jeremy Burke, the Business Development Manager for Intuit Canada for the province of Alberta. And today I'm going to do a brief demonstration of how to take a desktop data file from QuickBooks and move all that information into our QuickBooks Online program. The process that I'm going to show you today works for QuickBooks Desktop 2010 to 2015 files. Currently I'm using the 2015 edition of QuickBooks, which was just released a few weeks ago. How to do this process is the same in all those variations, and I'll start with clicking on the Company tab. Once you click on the Company tab, you'll see this menu option at the bottom saying Export Company File to QuickBooks Online. If you do not happen to see this in your copy of QuickBooks, please run an update and then restart the program, and you should see that functionality there. So I'm going to click Export Company File to QuickBooks Online. And what it will do is open up a web browser window within the program asking me to sign into my QuickBooks Online program. So I do in fact have a subscription to QuickBooks Online, so I'm just going to sign in. And I'm going to click that I have read and accept the terms and hit sign in. So this is a very important window, and I would like to make sure that you take caution in regards to your selection. There is two radial buttons. One is replace my existing QuickBooks Online company. So it's going to read from my username and password any company files that are associated. And also a second radial button, creating a new QuickBooks Online company. If you're to choose this option, you will basically in one step take the data file from desktop and move it into an online file that has been created simultaneously. That will be an essentials version of the file, and will go into a trial mode, which then later on can be paid for by your client as a subscription. But for this example, I'm going to pick replace my existing QuickBooks Online company file, and I've created a file already in my QuickBooks Online program called File to Overwrite. So I'm going to select this file. It gives me a quick warning saying, hey, we're going to overwrite your data. That is okay. So I hit continue. And that is basically it. It takes the desktop data file, uploads it into the cloud, and within usually 2 to 20 minutes, it will send a confirmation email to your account that this job is done, and you can log in. Now this was a relatively small file, so what I'm going to quickly do, just for example, is I'm going to log in and see if the work has already been done. So I'm logging into my QuickBooks Online Accountants file, and here is the file to be overwritten. I select that data file, and you can see that it's now named Quebec Company. And if I go in and look at my chart of accounts, you will see that all my chart of accounts with opening balances have been uploaded, the same as my QuickBooks file. So my accounts receivable and my inventory assets and my bank account called Moneybags has the same amounts that in there. So that task has been done. Now just some heads up in regards to the conversion at this point in time. The payroll information, the names on the accounts of your payroll accounts will carry over. However, all payroll details will need to be re-entered. It does not carry over payroll information currently at this time. And this transfer only works if your company file in desktop is not open in the multi-currency functionality at this point in time. If you do have multi-currency data files, there is another process. You can contact me directly and I'll walk you through that step. Thanks for watching my video, and if there's any questions, please email or call me. Have a great day.